So hello everyone, welcome to OneClass YouTube channel. My name is Devansh and I'm a senior tutor at OneClass. Today we are going to go through a couple of popular mathematics Q&A, and if you want any tutoring help or if you want any live one-to-one sessions, then you can check the links in the description below. And that is pretty much all. So I'll do a bit background about myself. So I am in the final year of my graduation and I'm doing my graduation in aerospace engineering. So that's all, and we'll start with the lesson. So we have, this is the question number 1. So we need to find the exact value of cos 2 pi by 5. So exact value of 2 pi by 5. So I'll just convert 2 pi into degrees. This will be 1/8 over 5, and this will become, this will be 5 3 times 15, and this will be 0 6 times, this will be 72 degree. So we need to find cosine of 72 degree, and I'm going to use the trigonometric identity for this. So cosine of theta is sine 90 minus theta. So cosine of 72 degree is sine of 90 minus 72. This will be sine 18 degree. Now 18 into 5 is 90. I can write 18 as A, therefore 5A will be 90. And I can distribute 5A as yeah. So I can distribute 5A as 2A plus 3A equal to 90, and 2A will be 90 minus 3A. Then I'll just multiply both the sides with sine. This will become sine 2A sine 90 minus 3A. So I'll just expand this using the identity. Sine 2A will be sine 90 cosine 3A plus cosine 90 sine 3A. Cosine 90 is 0, so I will get sine 2A as cosine 3A because sine 90 is 1. So this will become, now what I will do, I will write sine 2A in terms of sine A, so I'll use a double angle identity here. 2 times sine A cosine A, and for this one I will use the triple angle identity. So basically cos 3A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This will be 3A. Now I'll divide both the sides with cos A. So this will get cancelled, this will become square, and this will get cancelled. Yeah, I think so. This will become okay, yeah. This will become 2 times sine A will be 4 times cosine square A minus of 3, and then we have cosine square theta as 1 sine square theta. So I will write 2 sine A 4 minus 4 sine square A minus 3. This will be 1, and we'll take every term on this side. So this will become 4 sine square A plus 2 sine A, and this will be minus 1. Now I'll use the formula or quadratic equation. So this will be, let's say this as x square, this term as x. So x is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So it will become sine A will be minus b is minus 2 plus minus the root of this will be b square, so this will be 4, and this will become 4 over 16 plus 1 over the 16, and this will be plus because this is minus 1, so this will become plus, so this will become 20 over 2 times of a will be 2 times of 4 minus 2 plus minus 20 will be 4 into 5 over 8. This will become minus 2 plus minus, I can take this out from the root because square root of 4 is 2. I'll take 2 common, so this will become 2 over 2 times 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 4, because 2 4 are 8 and this 2 will be multiplied, so this and this will get cancelled. Therefore sine of 18 degree will be 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 4. Now the thing is that 18 degree is in first quadrant, therefore the value of sine should be positive. So if we take 1 plus minus root 5 over 4, and the value of, if square root of 4 is 2, so root 5 will be something 2.25, and if I take the minus, then this will become negative. I have to take 1 plus root 5 over 4 to keep my sign in positive. Root 5 over 4. And the question was cos of 2 pi by 4 is sine of 18 degrees. So cos of 2 pi by 4, 1 plus root 5 over 4. And let's look at the solution given by Junior Tutor. So the solution is correct. Correct solution could work We'll go for question number 2. So here they have given how do you use the double angle identities to solve the equation. So we have the double angle formula are the trigonometric functions with uh, double angles multiplied to 2. This is useful to evaluate uncommon angles by expressing them as twice of a common angle. So listed below are some of the double angle identities of trigonometric functions. So I will just write here identity. So these are few formulas. The sine of 2 theta will be 2 times of theta cosine of theta. Then we have cosine of 2 theta as cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, which is 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta, which is 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. And we have tangent of 2 theta, 2 times tangent of theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. So basically, suppose if we know the trigonometric ratio for um, the angle theta, and if we want to calculate the trigonometric ratio of 2 theta, then we can use these formulas. So I'll just write the value of sine, tan, uh, sine, cosine, and tan, and write for 30 degree and 60 degree. So I remember the values for 30 degree. Half root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, 3, and this will be root 3 over 2 half root 3. So if you want to calculate the value for say sine of 60 degree and we know the values for sine of 30, then what we can do, sine of 2 into 30 is 2 into sine 30 is 1 over 2 times cosine 30 is 3 over 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled and this will be root 3 over 2. Then for cosine, I'm going to use this one, 2 into 30. So cosine squared 30. So this will be 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. This will be 1 over 2. And similarly, we can write. So this will be 2 times tangent of theta. So 2 times 1 over 1 minus tangent square. So this will be 3. So LCM, in the LCM we'll have 3 minus 1, 2 over 3. This will be 2 times 3, 2 over 3. This 2 and 2 can get cancelled and this will go here. So this will become 3 over root 3, which is root. Okay. Yeah, so in this manner we can use the double angle identities and the solution given by Junior Tutor is correct. Correct solution. Good work. Question number 3. we need to find square root of 288. So first I'll do the prime factorization, because we need to divide this 288 in prime factors. So 2 times 144, 2 times 72, then 2 times 36, 2 times this will be 18, 2 times this will be 9, and 9 is 3 into 3. So we'll write 288 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 2 and 3 and this will be, so I'll just club two terms and this one, so this will be 2 square, 2 square, then we do not have a pair for this 2, then we have 3 square, and this will be 2 into 2 into 3 into square root of 2 to the 4, and 4 3s are 12. Let's just check the solution given by Junior Tutor. So yeah, this is the similar solution. So correct solution, good work. We have question number 4. We need to convert 120 degrees to radians. So for the conversion, we know that 2 pi is 360 degree, or pi is 180 degree. Now I will just so pi is 180 degree, and suppose let's say x is 120 degree. So we'll just do the cross multiplication here. So this will be 120 over 180 into pi, and x will be, this will get cancelled. This is 4, 3 4s are, and this is 3 6 are, 2 2 2 3. So this will be 2 by 3 pi, or 2 pi by 3. So let us check the solution. 2 pi by 3 and full correct solution. Good work. We have question number 5. We need to write 0.05 as fraction. So whenever we have a number in decimal, what we do is that we count the number of decimal places and then we multiply with 10 power the number of decimal places. So for example, here the number is 0.05. I have 2 decimal places, so I will multiply with 10 power, number of decimal places is 2, and I will divide also so that the equality is maintained. So this will become 0.05 into 100 over 100, and this will become 5 over 100. So 5 over 100 can be written as, so this is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are and zeros are, so this can be written as 1 over 20. Let us look at the solution. So again, in the solution we have p over q, where p and q are the integers and q is not equal to 0. To convert decimals to fraction, we have count the numbers of decimal places to the right of the decimal point. In this case we have 2. Then we multiply the decimal number by 10 power n over 10 power n. Then the same thing, and we have the answer as 1 over 20. Again, the solution given here is correct. The solution is given here. So the solution is correct. Okay, so we have question number 6. It states that how to find the centroid of a triangle. So so let me just draw a triangle here. So I will be drawing a triangle. Yeah. Just take this to center, and I'll draw one coordinate also, coordinate axis system. So this will be from here, let's say from here, will x, and this is y. Let's say this point as A, B, C, and we have the centroid, let's say here, which is, let's say P, and the coordinate for A, let's say this is A is x1, and as this is a 2D system, so we'll just say x1 y1. B is x2 y2, and C is x3 y3, and let's say the coordinate of P is xc and yc, so C is for centroid. Now let's just look at the definition given here. So by the definition, the centroid is the center of mass of an object and coincides with the average position of all the points in an object. So in a triangle, the centroid is the point of intersection of three medians, wherein a median is a line segment from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So I can just draw the median here. I have to move this a little bit. Yes, redraw it. Let's say this is one radian. Let's say this as the other one, and let's say this one the these are coming exactly because there is some error from all these three sides. I'll just leave it here and I'll draw the erase the extra part. Oh god, oh no. I'll just draw it with my pen. Very horrible. And this is again very horrible. And again horrible. Oh, yeah, okay. So the image here, you can see that this is the median. So I'm not going to um, specify the alphabets here. And then the centroid of the triangle, which is P, which has coordinate as xc and yc. So we have a direct formula for this, which is, so xc is x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3, and yc is y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. So let's take the example given here. So this is the triangle you can see in the figure. So we have the coordinates. A is 0, 1, B is 2, 3, and C is 4, -1. So my centroid will be 0, this one, then plus 2, and then plus 4 over 3. This will be 6 over 3, and this will be 2. Yc will be 1, 1 plus 3, and this will be plus -1, so this will become -1 over 3. So this is this, and this will get cancelled, and this will become 3 over 3, which will be 1. So coordinate for centroid is 2, 1. And let's check. So again we have 2 and 1. So these are the coordinates for centroid, and that is pretty much all for this question. So correct solution. Good work. Where is my mouse? Yeah. So we have question number 6, and then we have question number 7. So this is question number 7. We need to convert centimeter to meter. So for this, so we know the conversion rate. So basically 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So for 1 centimeter, what we'll do, we'll divide both these sides with 100. So this will become 1. So 1 centimeter will be 1 over 100 meter, and this will become 0.01 meter. And this is pretty much all. We can just take one example like I can take one example. So let's convert uh, centimeter to meter. So let us convert, let's say, 4 centimeter to meter. So I'll use this. So 1 centimeter is 0.01 meter. So for 4 centimeter, I'll just multiply both the sides with 4, and this will become 0.04 meter. And that is pretty much all for this question, because this is a very basic question, and that is all I can say. So correct solution. Good work. Yup. So we have question number 8. This is question 8. Why cos of 0 is 1? Nice question. So why cos of 0 is 1? So we can just take the help from this unit circle. So in this unit circle, we can just so this unit circle is basically, with this unit circle we can calculate the trigonometric ratios for any angle. So this is a very easy method to calculate trigonometric ratios if you do not have a calculator. So with this unit circle, we can just take the coordinates for that particular angle, and we can calculate the trigonometric functions. So for this we have tangent of theta. This for unit circle. So tangent of theta is y by x. Then we have for theta, we have sine of theta. Sine of theta is this is perpendicular, so this is y, and cosine of theta is just the x coordinate. So if you want to calculate tangent of theta, we'll just divide the y coordinate with x coordinate. If you want to find the sine theta, we'll just take the y coordinate of that point, and if you want to find cosine theta, we'll just take the x coordinate. So let's find for 0. So for 0 we have 1 and 0. This is x and this is y. So cosine of 0 will become the x coordinate, which will be 1, and similarly we can calculate sine, which will be 0. So let's confirm and correct. So this is correct solution rate top. So we have question number 9. We need to find the square root of 162. Okay, so to find the square root of 162, first we'll divide this 162 into prime factors. 162, I'll just 2 8s are 2 1s are, then 81 is square of 9. So I can just say 3, then 3, so 3 2s are 6, and this will be 7 times. This will be 3 9s are, and this will be 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Or we can just directly write 162 281 9 9 9 1. Now I will write 162 as 2 into 3 into 3 to 3 into 3. Now I'm going to club two similar terms. So I'll club this and write the square and write. So as this is 3 square and this is square root, so this term will just come out from the square root. So this will become 3 into 3 into square root of 2, and this will be 9 square root of 2. Now for I think that here they have ended till 9 square root 2, but if you want to find this exact or pretty much closer value, then what we can do, we have seen that so square root of 162 will lie between square root of 162 will lie between 12 and 13. So 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. Square root of 144, square root of 162, and square root of 169. So this is 12, this is 13, and this one is, we need to find this. So what we can do, we'll take 162 divide with 13, and this will be 162 divided with 13, 12.46. The thing is that the square root of 162 lies near to the square root of 169, so we'll divide with 13. If it was say 150 or not 150, if it was say 149 or 154, then we would have taken 12, but we'll take 13 here. Now will add 12 plus 4, 6, 13 and take the average. So I'll add 13 and this will be 12.730, and if I take the square of this, then this will be 162.0724, and we have 162, so this is pretty much good. We can, if you want to just eliminate this term, we can take 112.720 and let's just take with 0.720 square, and this will be, no, this will be much lesser. So 12.730 is pretty much good. So this is a way, in this way we can calculate the approximate value. Instead of leaving this term in root 2, we can just calculate the approximate value, and that is pretty much all for this question. Correct solution. Good work. Yeah. So this was question number 9, I think. Yeah. So we'll go for question number 10. Mm, So we need to find what is the perimeter of semicircle shown in the figure below. Take pi to be 3.142. So for the perimeter of semicircle, the diameter given here is 10 centimeter and radius will be half of diameter, which this will be 5 centimeter. Now I will draw one circle. If I draw a circle here, and if I draw one line, and if I go for rubbing, a little bit from here. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'll just undo this. It looks perfect. So this length is given as 10 centimeter. So when we have a full circle, then we do not have the diameter. So for the complete circle, the circumference is 2 pi r, but as this is a semicircle, so we are just talking for upper half curve, which is this one. So this will be half. So I'll just divide the circumference by 2, and my new circumference will be, the circumference of the curved part will be pi r. Now we can see that in a semicircle we also have this line, which is nothing but the diameter, and the perimeter will include this line. In circle, we do not have any diameter. It is a closed loop, but a semicircle to close a semicircle, we need to include this diameter also. So this will become plus the length of this diameter. So I will take pi as 3.142 into 5 plus 10, and this will become 3.142 into 5, then plus 10, 25.71. 25.71 centimeters. We should always remember that the diameter is given in centimeters, so we have to put the units of this perimeter. So C is to pi r, where C is the circumference and r is the radius of circle. Then this will become half the circumference is 5 pi, and then we'll add the diameter, and this is 25.71 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of the total perimeter will be 25.71, but perimeter for curve surface will be 15.71 centimeter. So yeah, solution given here is correct, right? Like they should have written 25.71 as the total, and for the curve part it is 15.71, but no big issue for this. So correct solution should work, and solution is correct. Yep, so we have here question number 11. This is question number 11. So in this we need to find trigonometric ratios for 30, 45 and 60 degree. So trig ratios of 30, 45 and 60 degree. So I'll just cross check with the solution given by Junior Tutor. So they have taken two triangles. Okay, so we'll just follow this one. So I'll just draw two triangles. This looks better. And I'll draw one more. So this will be kind of isosceles. Yeah. And I'll draw one line. This line. And I'll copy and paste one line. here. This is something which I don't like. Come on. Um, we'll just take this part, so no problem. So we'll just remove the extra part and okay. Uh, uh, ah, I'll just rejoin this. Now we have 30 degree, 60 degree, and obviously this will be 90. Here this will be 90, this is going to be 45, and this is going to be 45. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. And the length here is given 2x, x root 3 and x, and here is x root 2. This is x and this is x. So I'll just write the ratios. So sine will be this will be opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine will be this will be adjacent over hypo. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So first we'll go for 30 degree. So for 30 degree, my opposite is going to be this side and my adjacent is going to be this one. So sine of 30 is opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC, so this will be x over 2x. This will be 1 over 2. Cosine 30 will be adjacent is AB and hypotenuse is AC, so this will be x root 3 and 2x, so x and x cancel, so this will be root 3 by 2. For tangent of 30 I have BC over AB, so this will be x over x root 3, this will be 1 over root 3. We'll go for cosine. Oh, sorry, 60 degree. So for 60 sine 60 we'll have so for 60 degree our adjacent will be this one and opposite will be this one. So I will write directly. So the opposite side is x root 3 and hypotenuse is 2x. This will become root 3 by 2. Cosine 60 will be adjacent x over hypotenuse. So this will be 1 over 2. Tangent will be opposite over adjacent. This will be root 3. Now we'll go for 45 degree. So in the case of 45 degree, it is a kind of special angle, so or a special triangle. So this is basically an isosceles triangle. So we can take any 45 degree. It is not going to make any difference. So let's take the 45 at here at F. So my sine 45 will be this is opposite and this one is adjacent. So sine will be x over sine will be sine 45 will be x over x root 2, which will be 1 over root 2. Cosine 45 will be x over x root 2, which will again be 1 over root 2. And tangent of 45 we have x over x will be 1. So let us see. Okay, yeah, so correct solution. And the solution given here is correct. Good work. Yeah, so solution is correct. So this is pretty much all for this session, and if you like this session, then please do hit the like and subscribe button also, and do hit the bell icon to stay updated for our future streams. And if you need any homework help, or if you need any tutoring help or one-to-one live sessions, then you can check the links in the description below. And this was Devansh Purohit, senior tutor at OneClass, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. So till then, bye.